The $20 chatbot is officially dead. On April 9, 2026, the industry shifted forever when OpenAI and Anthropic both locked their most powerful agents behind a $100 a month professional tier. This isn't just a price hike, it's a declaration of war. We are no longer paying for a tool, we are paying a salary for a digital employee. One of these will become your primary architect, and the other will become a $1,200 a year mistake. Today we put ChatGPT-5.2 and Claude 4.6 head-to-head in the only test that matters, the Agentic Workflow Challenge. If you're a developer in San Jose or a founder trying to outpace the market, pay attention. The choice you make this week defines your productivity for the next decade. Let's talk about the brain. OpenAI's ChatGPT 5.2 and its specialized codex system are designed for speed and action. Their new native computer use means your agent isn't just typing text. It's literally moving your mouse, navigating your file system, and clicking through your CRM like a human senior operations manager. It is the closest we have ever come to a fully autonomous, hands-off assistant. But while OpenAI focused on the mouse, Anthropic focused on the logic. Claude 4.6 just hit a staggering 81.4% success rate on the SWE-bench verified leaderboard. In plain English, when you give Claude a real-world coding bug, it doesn't just suggest a fix. It autonomously navigates the codebase, identifies the root cause, and submits a verified PR while you sleep. While ChatGPT is busy clicking buttons for you, Claude is busy re-architecting your entire backend. One is a better assistant, the other is a better co-founder. In 2026, memory is the ultimate differentiator. Claude 4.6 now features a massive 1 million token context window. You can drop an entire 700-page technical manual or your entire GitHub repository into its memory, and it won't forget a single detail. Most importantly, Anthropic has suppressed context rot. That annoying precision drop most models hit at 100,000 tokens. Claude stays accurate even at the 500,000 threshold. ChatGPT 5.2 is fast and efficient, but its 400,000 token window means it can still start to hallucinate or lose the thread once the project gets deep. For autonomous agents, memory isn't just a feature, it's a requirement. If your digital employee forgets the project goals halfway through a 2-hour workflow, it's not an agent, it's a liability. Claude's memory retention is currently the highest in the industry, making it the clear choice for long horizon planning. Where do these agents actually live? This is the ecosystem war of 2026. ChatGPT is winning the OS battle, living natively inside your Windows and Apple devices. It is always one shortcut away, integrated into your OS experience, but Claude is winning the enterprise layer. With the new Model Context Protocol, Claude now has native connectors for over 6,000 apps, including Slack, Jira, and AWS. It doesn't wait for you to ask it to check a Jira ticket. Claude's agentic architecture monitors your logs in real time, cross-references them with your team's Slack discussions, and suggests a fix in the Jira ticket before your human engineers even see the error. This is the shift from passive AI to active SynthOps. You aren't managing the tool anymore. The tool is managing the workflow. But what about the human element? Anthropic's CEO recently warned that we are 12 months away from AI that can replace software engineers. But at SynthOps, we see it differently. The engineers who win in 2026 are the ones who shift from doing to directing. They are the architects who guide these agents. At $100 a month, you are betting on your future. If you want a digital architect to build and maintain your startup, Claude 4.6 is currently untouchable. But if you want a seamless, fast assistant integrated into your daily OS, ChatGPT 5.2 takes the crown. The era of the one-person billion-dollar company is here, and it starts with choosing the right agent. In my next video, I'm going to show you the hybrid workflow, how to use Gemini 3.1 Pro for large context analysis while using Claude for the final execution to save 70% on your token costs. Drop a comment below. Are you Team OpenAI or Team Anthropic? I read and respond to every developer's feedback. Hit subscribe to SynthOps to stay ahead of the disruption. I'm Yash, and I'll see you in the next one.